a revolution that's now being applied in addiction treatment. Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation, or TMS therapy, uses the power of magnetic pulses to activate areas of the brain responsible for impulse control, mood, and motivation. In people struggling with addiction, depression, or anxiety, these brain regions are often slowed down or imbalanced, and they need extra support. That's where TMS comes in. No needles, no medication, no pain. Using the MagVenture device, the treatment is performed while the patient is awake, calm, and seated. Through precisely directed magnetic pulses, specific areas of the brain are gently stimulated. All the patient may feel is a light tapping on the surface of the head. TMS doesn't erase your past, but it helps you regain focus, restore inner balance, and take back control. The therapy is typically administered daily over several weeks and is often combined with other forms of support, such as psychotherapy, workshops, group or individual sessions. At the MedTeam Clinic, TMS is part of our integrated approach, a program that doesn't just treat the problem, but cares for the person as a whole. That's why we introduce this therapy when it's needed most, during times of crisis, but also as an additional pillar of support on the road to recovery. For some, TMS is the first treatment that truly made a difference. For others, it's a vital component when combined with other therapies. In every case, it's a safe, professionally supervised, and personalized process that brings hope, that creates space for change. We know how difficult the path to recovery can be. That's why we built an approach that is realistic, but full of support. TMS therapy is not a magic solution, but it could be your next step towards balance, towards freedom, towards yourself. In this video, our doctor demonstrates what the procedure looks like in practice. If you have questions or want to learn more, our expert team is here for you. MedTeam, steer your life in the right direction.